What are you doing, Spider? Any worms in there? Find any worms today?
Yeah.
Lots? It's a good worm day?
Yeah.
Good. Nice chunk. I can't. I'm holding the camera. Ooh, good one. Ooh, anything in there?
No.
No. Struck out, huh?
That's a big one.
Yeah, keep trying.
Yeah. Whoa.
What's the biggest worm you found today?
Yeah.
A lot. How big was it? How long? Oh, wow. It's a nice one.
Yeah.
Did you eat it?
Ew.
How about fish? You catch any fish today? No fish. Well, keep trying, huh? Yep, keep trying.